clear video looks good, but there is one more thing that prolongs viewers' attention span: sound effects. Let's talk about it. And trust me, the lists are endless. And that's a quick look at how sound effects can significantly transform your video. Depending on the editing app you use, you can find different sound effects under the sound section. And if you can't find the ones you want, you can go externally to go search for sound. Personally, I use Pixabay. You might want to check it out and have fun experimenting. See you on my next video.